Did you know a rim that looks completely fine can be destroying every single tire you put on it? This customer had 4 flats in 2 years, same corner of the car. Every time, a different shop blamed road debris, bad luck, a nail she never saw. Every time, a new tire. Every time, the same slow leak came back. Then Lil Ted puts the rim on the balancer. The wobble shows up immediately. Not a big dramatic shake, just a subtle, rhythmic pulse that tells the whole story. Somewhere back in time, that rim caught a pothole hard enough to bend it slightly. Not enough to see with your eyes, just enough to break the bead seal on every tire ever mounted to it. Slow leaks that looked like punctures. 4 tires destroyed. 2 years of frustration. And not one shop ever put that rim on a machine to check it. The rim looked innocent. It was the problem the whole time. This is why the machine never lies. Come see us at Outcome Enterprise.